Prioritizing my well-being and finding balance. How many times do you find yourself struggling to balance within your life, your work, your family, your friends, and everything around you? Comment down below if you ever find yourself in such a challenge. Hello and welcome to another episode of Live, Learn, Adventure and Charity. And on this channel is where we talk about finance, personal development, travel and community service. If this is your kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. When you prioritize your well-being and balancing your life, it gives you fulfillment and happiness. Sometimes life can be so overwhelming, and it is important to at least first focus on yourself, and then you go out to other people, because you can only share what you have. If you have happiness, you can share happiness. If you have bitterness, the bile that comes out of you is just crazy. So it is better first to prioritize on yourself, then you go out to other people. Comment down below on how serious you take your self-care. The first thing in prioritizing yourself is setting boundaries. When you have aligned yourself with your own principles, even as you focus on other people, it really helps you grow as a person. You will be able to be happy. You'll be able to, even when someone is stepping on your boundaries, they know the limit of your boundaries. You will not find situations whereby people are just taking you for granted, because you have set your bar. And this protects your time and energy. The next thing is practicing self-care. When is the one day that you decided, I'm just going to chill and do nothing? Sometimes it's very important to take some time off, chill and have a breather. Don't just have a busy day, busy week, your entire time is taken by other activities. Sometimes take time, relax, just do nothing for a day or even maybe half a day, and just reflect on yourself, relax your physical body and all that. You can also go for a spa day. You just treat yourself to a spa day. Sometimes exercise also helps, because you get to work out, engage your body, and this also improves your health. And the next key thing is focusing on your hobbies. In a previous video, we said you can use your hobbies to make money, to have fun, and to also just engage with other people. For instance, if you love creating, you can become a content creator as a part-time thing. If you love swimming, you can even you can be a swimming tutor, you can join a competition and all that. So the key thing is for you to identify what makes you happy and what would either make you learn or make you money. Remember, at the end of the day, you can also use your hobbies and your free time to make money. The next thing is maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle starts with you. First thing, you need to work on a balanced diet. If you mix everything, you'll be fighting diseases, you'll be fighting maybe overweight, you'll be fighting other things. But if you manage your diet, that is one thing that really contributes in your personal self-care and prioritization. Then, and of course, balancing, because once you balance your diet, even your body will be balanced. So when you're balancing everything in your body, even the meal is a key factor. You can also do some exercises. You need to relax and give your body some workout. You can actually, if you don't want to go to the gym, you can do some exercises at home. You can do some walking, you can do some jogging, just activities that you can do for yourself and for your body, so that you can maintain a good health. And another key thing when you're working on your lifestyle is having a good night's sleep. What I realized is sleep is a key factor, but sometimes we overlook it. You're like, even if I sleep for like 3 hours, I'll be fine. But at least sleep a reasonable time, especially depending on your age. Sometimes when you're older, you need to sleep longer. When you're younger, you can sleep less. So just get to know, according to where you are right now, how much time is the minimum you should sleep. What I realized is you can even get high blood pressure because of not having enough sleep. There's a reason you're supposed to sleep. So work on your health. If you're not getting enough rest, it's going to affect your health, and sometimes it will bring you down even when you least expect. But when you take care of it, it will reward you by keeping you fit. The next thing is setting realistic goals. We all have ambitions and goals, so you need to sit down, analyze, and work on your goals and ensure they're SMART. That is, of course, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and they're time bound. And you have to keep reviewing. My proposal is the minimum you should not miss is quarterly review. Sometimes maybe monthly is considered maybe a shorter time, but make sure on a quarterly basis you review your goals. The next thing is prioritizing the relationships that you have. You have your family, you have your friends. The key thing is ensure you keep a positive relationship with people around you. That is a key factor, because if you have positive vibes, you'll be able to deal with positive vibes. But make sure you either keep away or you learn how to manage toxic relationships, because some relationships can really get on your nerves and they can actually tamper with how you yourself think, because there are some people who are destined to injure your self-esteem. So you have to know how to deal with such people, because your esteem is your investment. And there's some people who do not sleep and they make you feel like even your life is not worth. Do not allow anyone to get to that point. So cultivate on your self-esteem. You can check out our previous video on how you can build your self-esteem. The next thing is time management. Ensure you're conscious about each and every minute, how you spend your time. As much as possible, don't waste time. Whatever time you consider wasting should be rest time, not time wasted. Any minute wasted cannot be recovered. And that is the only thing about time. You have to maximize on it. And if you waste that time, you can be sure it will never be recovered. The next thing is seeking support. We don't live, your life is not an island. So you need people to support you around and to be able to boost you as a person. So if you need support, reach out to people, but ensure that people only have positive vibes. Those people with negative vibes, keep away from them, because you'll be seeking support, and instead of becoming better, they will ensure it gets worse for you. The next thing is finding joy in simple pleasures. Let me tell you, the beginning of success is appreciating the small things that you have. Like now, even if I get a very small win, and maybe perhaps I was expecting a bigger win, I still celebrate it. You have to celebrate each and every milestone. That actually gives you motivation to get to the next thing. But if every time you're always sulking, you're always looking at this is too small, this is even the bigger things, you will not notice. They will pass you by. The next thing is unplug and disconnect. Sometimes you just need a break from technology. You need to maybe take some time off from your phone, from your laptop, from your computer, from your TV, and just have a chilled moment. And also, sometimes if you have toxic friends, you can use the plug and unplug button. If the relationship is working, maybe you can keep it. If it is toxic, get out of it. It doesn't matter whether they are friends or family, because negative energy grows your negative energy. And that is not what we are advocating for. We are just thinking positive vibes only. I don't want to make this video too long, so if you have any addition to this topic, kindly comment down below, and also let us know any other topics you want us to discuss, and if you want us to go deeper into this topic, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing and join the Jest family. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really appreciate. And see you on our next one. Bye.